Hello guys, today we talk about how to use Format Painter option in Excel. Format Painter, like the look of a particular selection, you can apply to look to other content in document. So this fruit name is font is Times New Roman, font size is 15. So this formatting we need to apply these three. We can use simply Format Painter option. So select fruits this cell and select Format Painter. Now we select these three items. This you can see this formatting apply to these three names. And another example, this is accounting formatting number, is comma and cents. So we need to apply another numbers. So select this one and go to Format Painter and select this. You can see it's changed. And another one, Format Painter, and this two, it's changed. This is change. So another, this date, select this one and go to Format Painter, select these trees. You can see it's changed. Format Painter is very useful option in Excel. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.